tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology, specifically designed for those of you who are into custom apparel, small businesses, and home studios. I'm super excited to share with you my hands-on review of the Procolored K13 Lite A3 DTF printer, which promises to revolutionize the way you create and print your designs on garments. This printer is packed with innovative features that make it stand out from the competition, and I'm eager to dive in and show you what it can do. First off, let's talk about the printing size. The K13 Lite is an A3-size DTF printer, which means you can produce larger transfer designs and handle more demanding garment printing projects. This is a game changer for small businesses and creators who want to expand their product range and offer more complex designs to their customers. With the A3 printing area, you have greater flexibility to create custom apparel that stands out from the crowd. Imagine being able to print intricate designs, logos, or even full-color images on a wide range of garments, from t-shirts to hoodies and everything in between. The possibilities are endless, and the K13 Lite makes it all possible. Another feature that really caught my attention is the ability to pair the K13 Lite with Procolored's smokeless oven curing unit. This combination is a total winner, especially for those of you who work from home or have limited ventilation in your workspace. The smokeless oven reduces odors and airborne fumes compared to traditional curing setups, creating a more comfortable working environment that's perfect for home studios and indoor production spaces. I know some of you may have experienced the hassle of dealing with strong fumes and smoke when curing your prints, but with the K13 Lite and smokeless oven, those days are behind you. You can focus on creating amazing designs and prints without worrying about the safety and comfort of your workspace. Now, let's talk about maintenance, which is often a pain point for many of us who work with printers. The K13 Lite is equipped with LiteHead Technology, which simplifies maintenance and reduces service complexity. The automatic cleaning functions help prevent clogging and ink drying, allowing beginners and experienced users alike to maintain stable performance with less manual intervention. I've had my fair share of dealing with clogged print heads and dried-up ink, but with the K13 Lite, those issues are a thing of the past. The printer takes care of itself, so you can focus on what matters most, creating amazing custom apparel and growing your business. The K13 Lite also boasts professional color accuracy with smart software, which is a huge deal for anyone who wants to produce high-quality prints. With G7 certified color accuracy, optimized color curves, and Procolored Studio Lite software, the printer automatically detects RGB and CMYK image formats and applies calibrated color profiles. This ensures accurate color reproduction from screen to fabric, making it easy for beginners and experienced users to achieve professional quality printing. Whether you're printing logos, images, or intricate designs, the K13 Lite delivers vibrant, true-to-life colors that will make your custom apparel stand out. As I've been using the K13 Lite, I've been impressed by its overall performance and ease of use. The smart protection and stable white ink flow features have given me peace of mind, knowing that the printer is protected from damage and can handle demanding printing tasks with ease. The infrared printhead safeguard system monitors the printing area in real time, detecting film warping and foreign particles as small as 2 millimeters, while the automatic white ink circulation system prevents sedimentation and ensures smooth, consistent printing. In conclusion, the Procolored K13 Lite A3 DTF printer is a powerhouse of a machine that's perfect for anyone looking to take their custom apparel game to the next level. With its large printing area, smokeless oven, compatibility, easy maintenance, and professional color accuracy, this printer is a must-have for small businesses, home studios, and anyone who wants to create amazing custom apparel. If you're as excited as I am about the possibilities this printer offers, be sure to check out the link in the description below to learn more and get your hands on the K13 Lite. Trust me, you won't regret it. This printer is a total game changer, and I'm honored to have had the chance to share it with you all. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video.